Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be converting a FLAC file to an Opus file. So first and foremost, you need software called Foobar. It's basically can be used as music player. You can convert any modern files such as MP3s, FLAC, Opus, the newer version, the OGG. Yeah, so first and foremost, we're going to open Chrome and let's search for Foobar 2000. So this is the official page, foobar2000.org. So let's download, click here, download, and it's up to you if you want the stable version or the beta version. So you can also download it via Microsoft Store, and here are the system requirements. It should run without any hiccups. So I've already downloaded mine. Let's launch it. Pull it down. Sorry for the background noise. I'm not in the most quiet place on earth. You're gonna hear baby crying, so I hope you will bear with me. This is one take. I don't do editing, so everything are raw. So yeah, Foobar is already here. Let's drag one album. So let's try the Vincent Echo Keys and Disappear Fire. So I love this song. So this is FLAC. Yes, it's FLAC 24-bit. So let's try and convert it. So as you can see, there are presets here. HE-AAC for Apple lossless, and this is FLAC for FLAC, free the open source audio format, lossless one. And here is the Opus. So I've already set it up here. You can, I think it would appear different on yours, and you need to click on these three dots, and you might want to click output format, and here Opus. So by default there's an average bitrate and settings already here, and you can use it. It's the default and recommended, but anyway, you can edit it according to your needs. But I'm pretty much okay with the settings, the default one. So let's go back, and it should appear like this: format, Opus, VBR 128 kbps, and destination. So it's a matter of preference here. Processing, I don't use this, and other. So in other, you can transfer the metadata, which is, I think you would want that, and transfer attached pictures. So let's go back. Never click cancel because it would return you to the Foobar menu. And once that's done, if you want to save it, then you can save it here, but if not, then you can just convert it. File already exists, so I already converted one. Yeah, let's click cancel, and then let's find that converted file. So here's the converted file. Let's test this using, if you want to test the frequency of your file, you can download Spek. So it would inspect the graph of your audio file. So you can download it on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. I don't know if this is Mac OS, but yeah, I've already downloaded it, and it's here. Spek.
2 hours later.
Here, so let's open two Spek so we can inspect both. So here's the FLAC file. Let's drag it here, and as you can see, it's 24 kilohertz. It reaches above 20k, while this Opus is a lossless file. It would crop at 200 kilohertz. And let's open another one and compare the input MP3. So here I've already downloaded no, not yet. So let's convert this into MP3. So MP3 lame, go back and convert. Opus is way better than MP3. MP3 is golden. It's already old. And let's refresh. As you can see, I've already done converted some files here. And for some reason it's loading. Yeah, here's the MP3. Look at the graph, guys. It's crap. So considering that Opus is has smaller file size, it's a win for me, guys. It's a win for the music community. Look at this. It's just 5.20 megabytes, unlike the MP3. It's 7 megabytes. So you can see here that there's a better compression on Opus while retaining the sound quality. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you on the next video.